Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem. If you're experiencing microphone problem in WhatsApp, such as not being able to record voice messages or make voice calls, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, you need to check the app permissions. Press the WhatsApp like this, go to the app information and look out for the permissions and make sure the microphone is allowed right over here. Or you could also try restarting your phone. Sometime a simple restart can resolve microphone issues as well. And tap on the microphone. You need to check your microphone settings as well and make sure device's microphone is not blocked or covered. Or you could also try updating your WhatsApp. Go back and go to the Play Store, and in the top search icon, tap there and look out for the WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp Messenger over here and make sure you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp app. Check your App Store or Play Store for updates and install them if available. And if none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling the WhatsApp app and reinstalling back again from Play Store. And this can fix any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the microphone issue as well. And if you're still experiencing microphone problem in WhatsApp, you can contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue you are experiencing, and they may be able to help you troubleshoot the problem. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix most microphone issues in WhatsApp and resume using the app normally. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.